Hey, what's happening, YouTube? What's going on, guys? Good morning. You are tuned in for another episode of Weird Products Daily, where we cover interesting gadgets, cool, unique items, and just overall interesting and weird products. Today's product is from Post Cereal, and it's a chicken and waffle flavored cereal. And it looks like this is a twist on, or a special edition of Honey Bunches of Oats. I just thought this was kind of interesting. I think it's kind of fun when either cereal companies or chip companies oftentimes come out with like weird and interesting flavors. It looks like they have another one on this Amazon listing that's maple bacon donuts. But part of the reason I wanted to make this video is just to highlight sometimes how you can actually do some arbitrage off of like grocery store items, which I think not a lot of people would think of. A while back, I think I actually made a video about it. I was in Target, and I saw it was a Frosted Flakes, and I think it was like a pumpkin pie Frosted Flake flavor, if I remember correctly. And it just jumped out at me because I thought it was kind of weird, like kind of a weird flavor. And then I noticed that the boxes were on clearance for 99 cents, probably because people like regular Frosted Flakes and nobody wants to eat pumpkin Frosted Flakes. And just out of curiosity, I hopped on my eBay app on my phone, scanned the barcode, and they were selling for upwards of $20 on eBay. So I didn't clear off the entire shelf, but I got a couple boxes to see how they would sell. And I think mine sold from for anywhere from like $11 to $15. In the past, and I've talked about this as well before, I'd actually made some decent money off of selling 12 packs of R&W cream soda, R&W diet cream soda, R&W root beer, and R&W diet root beer. And I was selling 12 packs of soda on Amazon for anywhere from $33 to $36. Why somebody would pay $36, and most of that cost goes to shipping, right? I think it was costing me like $18 to ship a flat rate priority box because, you know, the cans of soda are heavy. Why in the world would somebody pay $30+ for soda that I can buy at Jewel-Osco for $1.96? I have no idea. The only thing I can guess is maybe people either live outside of the US or maybe in some rural area, and you know they're obsessed with their favorite soda and it's not distributed in their area and they're just willing to bite the bullet and pay. But I found a lot of like grocery store items that actually have decent margins. Actually, as I sit here at my desk making this video, I'm not going to say what the product is because I'm still making pretty good money off of it, but there's a particular item from Aldi that I'm doing pretty well selling on eBay and Amazon right now. I buy them for $3 or $4. I sell them for $12 a piece, and I'll also package them into larger quantities of multiple boxes. And I'm not getting rich off it, but I mean it's probably about $150 a week off selling these Aldi items. And now that they're selling consistently, I'll kind of clean out the shelf and buy them in bulk. But when I first started out, I knew there was kind of a market for them. I listed them on eBay and Amazon, and just as they would sell, I got about 3 Aldis within a mile of me. Just on my way home at the end of the day, I stop in at Aldi, pick up a couple boxes, and would ship them out. And like I said, now whenever I see them at Aldi, I'll try to clean out the entire shelf. But oddly enough, there is room for grocery store arbitrage. A lot of times when there's kind of interesting and weird flavors like this, I know a while back, Nutella did a special Chicago edition version of Nutellas, so I was selling those a little bit. Those went decent. And then anytime a product is like going out of stock or going away forever, you remember a couple years ago, I think Twinkies went away when Hostess had that strike. I know a couple years ago, there was a certain type of makeup that they stopped making, and I remember my sister told me about it. I ran around to all the Ulta stores and cleared them out. And there was another one, I remember, this is probably a good 5 years ago, but I remember a certain type of tampons were being discontinued, and I felt pretty fucking silly running around to Walgreens cleaning out the shelves of tampons. But these boxes of tampons were selling for anywhere from $20 to $50 because these are ladies' favorite tampons, and they discontinue them, so they're trying to buy up everything they can. It reminds me of that Seinfeld episode of Elaine with the sponges. I don't know if we have any Seinfeld fans here. But yeah, just a lot of ways to make money off kind of grocery store arbitrage, grocery store retail arbitrage. I don't know how profitable this would be at $9.39. I'm guessing it'd be about a $5 Amazon FBA fee. Even though these are super light, they are a little bit bulky. Although I suppose if these things are on clearance or you got coupons or something like that, and you can get them for pretty cheap, there's still some room to make some money. But yeah, I thought this was interesting. If any of you guys have tried these maple bacon donut or chicken and waffles, honey bunches of oats flavors, let me know what you guys thought of them. If you guys have had any luck like selling grocery store items or doing like grocery store arbitrage, drop a comment below. Let me know how that went for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down below, and we'll catch you tomorrow for another episode of Weird Products Daily.